Greetings, my dear students. Today we will revise Unit 1 book back questions of grammar, active and passive voice. This is your Chitra Miss going to revise you. These questions are in page number 14 of your Unit 1 textbook of English. Let us see the questions. The first one is the manager appointed many of his assistants. Appointed is past tense. The sentence is past tense. So the subject is the manager, verb is appointed, many of his assistants is object. So we will reverse it. The answer is many of his assistants were appointed by the manager. Second one, you are making a cake now. A cake is being made by you now. This sentence is present continuous tense, so it comes being. Here you may ask, you are has come miss, why here we are not adding are? Because a cake is singular, so you have to add the be verb is. So presence of mind is very important. Now let us see the third and fourth question. The portrait was painted by my grandmother. Subject is that portrait. Was painted is verb by my mother. That is here it is in passive voice. So by shows the sentence is in passive voice. So my grandmother painted that portrait. My grandmother painted that portrait. Fourth one. Malini had bought a colorful hat for her daughter. So Malini is subject, had bought is a verb, a colorful hat is the object, for her daughter is additional. So a colorful hat had been bought by Malini for her daughter. The fifth one is they have asked me to pay the fine. I have been asked by them to pay the fine. Please see the previous videos, children, so that you can understand what is the pattern here. The militants were being taken to prison by the police. This is in passive voice. So, the police were taking the militants to prison. Next, his behaviour vexes me. I am vexed by his behaviour. Rosie will solve the problem. Eighth one is Rosie will solve the problem. The problem will be solved by Rosie. So first you should see what tense it is and what is the pattern that has to be changed and what voice is the given sentence. Okay. Now let us see the ninth one. Our army has defeated the enemy. The enemy has been defeated by our army. The salesman answered all the questions patiently. All the questions were answered by the salesman patiently. See what is the change here? Please revise it, children. What are the question given here? That only will be asked in the exam. So be thorough with the questions that is given to you here. Now let us see the other one. This one is also book back question, page number 16, G section. So please call him at once. The answer is you are requested to call him at once. How did you cross the river? It is an interrogative type. How the river was crossed by you. Children, please see the previous videos for clarification because grammar is not that very easy. But if you understand, it will be very easy. Let us see the third one. No one is borrowing the novels from the library. No one. So the novels were being borrowed by no one from the library. The novels is plural, so where is, it should be or. Sorry children, here the novels are being borrowed by no one from the library. It is written wrong here. Please note it and change your answers. The novels are being borrowed by no one from the library. Will you help me? Will I be helped by you? The answer is, will I be helped by you? The answer for third one is, it should not come where children, it is are. It is wrong answer, please check it. Next one, let us see the fifth one. Go for a jog early in the morning. The answer is, you are advised to go for a jog early in the morning. Sixth one, why have you left your brother at home? The answer is, why your brother has been left by you at home. See children, I, we, you, they will be followed by have. He, she, it will be followed by has. So that's why your brother is he. So it should be followed by has. Why your brother has been left by you at home. You should see whether it is active or passive. If it is active, you have to change into passive. If it is passive, you have to change into active. Now, let us see the next seventh. Nobody should violate the rules. It is an imperative, it is an order. The rules should not be violated. The third form is violate is violated. Let us see the eighth one. Someone has to initiate it immediately. It has to be initiated immediately by someone, you can write, or you need not write by someone. So how we have to write? It has to be initiated immediately by someone, or someone is not needed here. It is commonly understood. Okay. Now let us go into the next one. Ninth one. Have you invited Raman to the party? So has Raman been invited by you to the party? Here Raman is he. So has to come here. You should not write have. That is the reason, has Raman been invited by you to the party? This is the right answer. See the 10th one. Please do not walk on the grass. So when please comes, it is a request kind of sentence. So this is the answer will be, you are requested not to walk on the grass. Do not should be converted into not to. So walk should not be turned into the third form of the verb. It will be first form because to is here, infinitive form. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video, my dear children. Thank you very much.